Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this captivating video, we delve into the intriguing world of sugar production by taking you on an exclusive tour inside a sugar factory. Join us as we unveil the mesmerizing journey, from cane to sweet crystals, exploring the sugar-making process in factories. Have you ever wondered how that tantalizing spoonful of sugar reaches your table? Look no further. Our comprehensive guide will unravel the secrets behind this delectable process. Get ready to be amazed as we walk you through each step, providing an in-depth understanding of how sugar is made. We start our exploration with the miraculous journey of sugarcane. From sprawling fields to the factory gates, witness firsthand the harvest and transportation of this marvelous crop. Follow the trail as the cane undergoes meticulous preparation before unlocking its extraordinary potential. Once inside the factory, prepare yourself for an immersive experience. Witness the cane being crushed, extracting its precious juice. Marvel at the cutting-edge technology and machinery that transforms this golden liquid into a thick, syrupy concentrate known as molasses. But our journey doesn't end there. Brace yourself as we unveil the fascinating transformation of molasses into the pure, crystalline sugar we all know and love. Learn about the intricate purification methods employed to separate impurities and refine the sugar into its pristine form. Throughout the video, we'll provide intriguing facts and handy tips, making this a valuable resource for both the curious viewer and aspiring sugar aficionados. Discover the various types of sugar produced and gain insight into their unique characteristics and uses. By the end of this captivating visual expedition, you'll have a newfound appreciation for the craft and precision involved in the sugar-making process. So, whether you're a food enthusiast or simply interested in the wonders of manufacturing, this video is sure to leave you inspired. Join us on this one-of-a-kind adventure, from cane to sweet crystals, exploring the sugar-making process in factories. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content that takes you behind the scenes of intriguing industries. thanks for joining us on this fascinating journey through the sugar making process in factories. If you enjoyed learning about how sugar is made, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching.